Good morning, departure Vision Jet 379, Juliet Mike 1.5 for 3,000 and the turn to 090.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 140.
Right turn 140, Niner Juliet Mike.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 180.
Right turn 180, Niner Juliet Mike. Clear for takeoff, runway 19, 379 Juliet Mike. Vision Jet 379, Juliet Mike, over at Hollingshead with information, ready to taxi.
379 Juliet Mike, runway 32 at Hotel, taxi fee Juliet, Hotel, cross runway 1 at Juliet. Winds calm, altimeter 3012.
Runway 32 at Hotel, Juliet, Hotel, cross 1 at Juliet, 3012, Niner Juliet Mike. All right, we're going to do a normal takeoff on runway 32. We require about 3245 in takeoff distance, of which we have 8,000 feet of runway to use. Our initial altitude is going to be 3,000 feet. Initial heading is probably going to be a 090 heading. If we have any issues on the runway at all, we'll abort the takeoff. Any CAS messages, any reason to abort the takeoff, we'll abort the takeoff immediately. Any issues below 1,043 feet MSL will land straight ahead. Anything above 1043, we'll pull caps immediately. Anything above 2043, we'll make a turn back to the airport, enter the downwind, try to make a run landing on runway 32.
Vision Jet 379, Juliet Mike, after departure, turn right heading 060, maintain 3000, runway 32 at Hotel, clear for takeoff.
All right, clear for takeoff, runway 32 at Hotel, departure with a right turn out to 060, 379, Juliet Mike. All right, now it looks clear.
System 4 Papa Lima, contact Nashville departure.
Contact Nashville departure 124 Papa.
Are in. Probe on.
Departure 63 Papa, runway 32, clear to land.
Runway
Traffic departing
32,
Vision
looks
Jet.
like good runway.
Clear to land 32, Archer 63 Papa.
All right, takeoff power is set. Airspeed's alive. There's 70 knots, 80, and rotate. Positive rate gears coming up.
In this episode, I fly the Vision Jet from my base airport in Smyrna, Tennessee, to the Cirrus Vision Center Complex in Knoxville to have them take a quick look at a few things. Factory Service Center Supervisor Marris Johnson, also known as Spee, and Mark Egan from Lone Mountain Aircraft were waiting for me as I arrived. Spee was very cordial, knowledgeable, and pleasant.
Vision 9, Juliet Mike, contact Nashville departure, good day.
Or departure, 9er Juliet Mike, have a great one.
Departure 63 Papa, traffic departing system.
Roger.
500, IDAM for what? 4 Papa Lima.
Good morning, Nashville, Vision Jet 379, Juliet Mike, 2,000 for 3,000, heading 060.
Vision Jet 379 Juliet Mike, Nashville departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 15,000.
Climb maintain 15,000, 9er Juliet Mike. Zero 60, 15,000.
Bonanza 425 Mike Golf, turn 15 degrees to the left, VFR descent at your discretion.
15 left, VFR or altitude to PD, 5 Mike Golf.
Turn on MCT.
Skyhawk 124 Papa Lima.
Cabin pressure
and
looks good.
leaving 3,000, you can turn right on course.
100 feet a minute. Ice protection is not required. Transition altitude and altimeter not applicable.
Leaving 3,000, 124 Papa Lima.
Continuing, 3.6 up to 15,000.
Vision Jet 9er Juliet Mike, fly heading of 095.
095, 9er Juliet Mike. I'm seeing 095, there we go.
November 778 Romeo Whiskey, contact approach 119.35.
1935, Romeo Whiskey, saw.
Rickard 5603, proceed to direct A-cuff Descend and maintain 6,000.
All right, descend to 6,000, direct to Takeoff, Brickyard 5603, we'll do it.
All right, there's 095.
Nashville approach, 803 Alpha Golf, descending through 14.5 on the Paisley 4 with Kilo.
Coast remain 03 Alpha Golf, Nashville approach. Good morning still. You can expect visual approach runway 20 right.
We'll expect that, 3 Alpha Golf. Good morning.
November 212 Delta, contact Memphis Center 132.9er. Good day.
32.9, 212 Delta, thanks.
5 Mike Golf, we've got the field.
All right, 7,000 for
15,000.
services
are terminated. Contact
Making about
Smyrna Tower on 118.5.
185, 5 Mike
feet a
Golf.
minute, vertical climb at about 160 knots. Nice state of flight. Doesn't seem like the winds are too strong. Of course, I do have 30 knots of tailwind.
Maintain 2,500.
Descend down 2,500, Brickyard 5603.
And we're doing about 1850 now, VSI. Weather in Knoxville about 50 minutes ago. 230 at 4 knots, 10 miles of visibility. A few clouds at 4,000, a few at 25,000.
Vision Jet 9er Juliet Mike, contact Memphis Center 132.9er. Good day.
32.9, 9er Juliet Mike, you have a great one. Memphis Center Vision Jet 379 Juliet Mike, 10.3 for 15,000. 095 assigned.
November 379er Juliet Mike, Memphis Center, Roger, Clitterick, Knoxville.
Direct destination 9er Juliet Mike.
Over 212 Delta 4 traffic, could you accept 1 to 1,000?
Sure, we go 1 to 1 1.
Or 212 Delta, appreciate the help. Come and maintain 1 to 1,000.
To 1 1,000, 212 Delta, thank you.
All right, we made the turn direct to Knoxville.
While I have made the flight between Smyrna, Tennessee and Knoxville, Tennessee many times, it is always a little different due to the traffic flow into McGhee Tyson Airport.
We're 12.1 for 15,000.
The flight time today was about 40 minutes at a cruising altitude of 15,000 feet. The flight covered 156 nautical miles. I've been asked, how do I determine my cruising altitude in the jet? Essentially, I use the 10 times rule as one of 10 factors. This means I simply multiply the distance of the flight in nautical miles by 10, and that gives me a rough estimate of a good cruising altitude. I then apply the remaining 9 factors to determine the best cruising altitude. The other 9 factors are just as important, and we'll talk about those another time.
Memphis, good afternoon, Allegiance 1347 at 180. Allegiance 1347, Memphis Center, right.
For 1347, any chance we can get higher, or how high can you let us climb for the flow into Florida?
In about 2 minutes, I can get you as high as you want, sir.
Roger that, thanks.
Allegiance 1347, what's your request
for runway
for
23? 23 left, of course.
Allegiance 1347, say your request for higher.
Yes, we'll take 36 or 37, whatever you got.
Okay. For now, climb and maintain flight level 230, and I have your request for higher.
Hey, 230, thanks, Allegiance 1347.
November 21 Bravo Delta, contact Indy Center 124.62.
Cool, all right. There's our 15,000, thrust lever set, ice
November
protection is required,
212
engine
Delta,
information system will
contact
continue
Atlanta
to
Center
monitor.
133.6. Appreciate the help.
3.6, 212 Delta, thank you.
End of that checklist. Stand by for the descent checklist. All right, landing field elevations will be 979, so we'll set minimums at 1479 for our visual approach. We've got the RNAV for 23 left, loaded with the good old transition. We'll fly it under visual conditions, of course, and fly it as a visual approach, but minimums on the actual approach are going to be 1165. I set a call out for 1479, which is 500 feet above landing field elevation. That'll give our final approach check with landing gear and such. We'll get that enunciation at that point. Final approach fix is going to be Rocky Top, which gives us about a 5-mile final. A little bit over a 5-mile
November
final.
379er, Juliet Mike, contact Atlanta Center, 133.6. Good day.
3369er, Juliet Mike. Have a great one. Atlanta Center, Vision Jet 379, Juliet Mike 15000.
379 Juliet Mike, Atlanta Roger, Knoxville altimeter 3009.
09er, Juliet Mike.
Atlanta Sam 042 is 325, descending 240.
Sam 042, Atlanta Roger, descend and maintain 16,000, Knoxville altimeter 3009.
30009, and descend maintain 16,000, Sam 042.
Legion 421, contact Atlanta Center on 132.05.
3205, Legion 421. Good day, sir, and thanks for your help.
Anthony 21 Bravo Delta with you, 20 and a half down to 110.
21 Bravo Delta, Atlanta City Roger, Knoxville altimeter 3009.
Is that 3009 for 21 Bravo Delta?
Affirmative, and 21 Bravo Delta, squawk 7102.
7102, 21 Bravo Delta.
9er Juliet Mike, descend and maintain 13,000.
We'll descend and maintain 13,000, 9er Juliet Mike. All right, 13,000.
Sam 042, contact
Landing field elevation set. Head protection is not required. We're on the local altimeter. Seats are upright. Brake pressure is good.
Period air 036, contact Atlanta
We have the
Center,
visual for 23 left loaded.
125.92.
We have minimum set at 1479, which is a 500-foot call out. We'll fly it under visual approach.
Center Commander 4860, 25.5, descending 240.
Commander 4868, Atlanta City Roger, lower view in about a minute and a half.
4868.
Delta 1792, Atlanta Center, climb maintain flight level 230. November 52454, contact Knoxville approach on the 123.9er.
23.9 for Knoxville, thanks.
Atlanta, TBM 850 Lima Tango with you, passing 10,000 up to 12,000.
8,000, Tango, Atlanta Center, climb maintain flight level 220.
Up to 220, Lima Tango.
Good afternoon, Vision Center 379, Juliet Mike.
Juliet Mike, go ahead.
Yes, sir. We're about 15 minutes out. We're going to the paint detail center.
25 minutes out, heading over to paint and detail. Give a call again when you guys are getting ready to turn on Charlie.
Signal Public Charlie, Atlanta.
We sure will. Thanks
Roger, the Atlanta altimeter 3009. 9er Juliet Mike, contact Knoxville approach on 123.9er.
239, 9er Juliet Mike. Have a great one.
Commute Air 4868, descend and maintain 13,000.
13,000, Commander 4868.
Knoxville approach Vision Jet 379, Juliet Mike 13,000, information hotel, expecting the visual for 23 left.
November 379, Juliet Mike approach, Roger, altimeter 3010.
3010, 9er Juliet Mike.
Approach 705 Delta Bravo with you at 9,000.
Cessna 705 Delta Bravo approach, altimeter 3010.
3010.
9 Juliet Mike, descend to maintain 5,000, turn 5 degrees left.
5 left and down to 5,000, 9er Juliet Mike.
Knoxville approach, Commander 4868, 18.7, descending 13,000 with India.
Meter 4868 approach, altimeter is 3009.
3009. Knoxville approach 21 Bravo Delta with you 13,000 for 11,000.
21 Bravo Delta approach, altimeter is 3009. Egan, altitude descending to?
11,000, 21 Bravo Delta.
1 Bravo Delta, roger, report the weather, expect a visual.
We have the weather and expect a visual, 21 Bravo Delta.
Meter 4868, descend to maintain 7,000, turn 5 degrees left, factors right downwind.
5 degrees left, 7,000, Meter 4868.
Field in sight for 379 Juliet Mike.
9 Juliet Mike, roger, keep your speed up.
We'll keep our speed up, 9 Juliet Mike.
Set 8 Heavy, turn right heading 140.
40, set 8 Heavy.
Meter 4868 at 7,000, reduce speed to 210.
At 7,000, reduce speed to 210, Meter 4868.
All right, 10.4, descending to 5,000, keeping speed up.
We're 4-4 golf. How much longer are you going to play around out there?
We're going to go a little bit to the north and head back down.
4-4 golf, roger. Let me know when you want to switch over.
Welcome.
And delete your restriction. For 9 Juliet Mike, descend to maintain 4,000, turn left heading 090.
Down to 4,000, 090 on the heading, 9 Juliet Mike.
Cessna 454, advise prior to starting your descent.
We'll advise the descent, 454.
Set 8 Heavy, contact tower.
Set 8 Heavy to the tower. All right, pressurization's good.
King Air 21 Bravo Delta, descend to maintain 5,000.
5,000, 21 Bravo Delta.
For 9 Juliet Mike, traffic 1 o'clock, about 8 miles on final 3,000, heavy KC 135.
Roger, look for traffic.
9 Juliet Mike at 4,000, reduce speed to 170.
At 4,000, we'll reduce speed 170, 9 Juliet Mike.
Or 44 golf, traffic northwest heavy at 5 miles, King Air descending to 5,000, maintain VFR at or below 4,000.
At or below 4,000, we'll be looking for traffic for 44 golf.
1 Bravo Delta, traffic 1 o'clock, 6 miles, maneuvering at or below 4 is a Cessna.
We'll be looking for traffic, 21 Bravo Delta.
Good afternoon, Knoxville approach, November 317, Lima Mike, off of Gatlinburg with request.
Off Gatlinburg, contact approach on 118.0.
118.0.
Juliet Mike, turn left heading 080, descend to maintain 3,000.
Left turn 080 down to 3,000, 9 Juliet Mike.
November 8258 X-ray contact Chattanooga approach 125.1.
Shot at 125.1 Atlanta Center for 58 X-ray.
58 X-ray is Chattanooga 25.1.
So long, thank you.
9 Juliet Mike, the tanker's on a 2-mile final. Do you see him?
Insight, 9 Juliet Mike.
Mike, follow the heavy KC 135, runway 23 left, caution brake turbulence, clear visual approach.
All right, number 2 for the the field behind the KC-130. Tower, Vision Jet 379, Juliet Mike on a right base, runway 23 left.
Vision 379, Juliet Mike, Knoxville Tower, runway 23 left, clear to land, wind 220, correction, wind light variable.
23 left, clear to land, 9 Air Juliet Mike.
9 Juliet Mike, caution wind turbulence, you're following a heavy tanker.
Roger.
Just touchdown.
Tower Cambridge 867 is hold short Alpha 8, ready for departure.
Cambridge 867, roger, hold short for wake turbulence.
Hold short Cambridge 867.
So 82 heavy, contact departure.
82 heavy departure.
Alright, speed checks, flaps down and gear down. Continuing. Let's go flaps full. Indicated. Alright, right on the pappies.
500. Minimums.
Alright, continuing. We have 3 green, pressurization looks good. We're clear to land, this is 2-3 left. And we are fully configured.
Altitude.
Vision 9 Juliet Mike, turn left, Alpha 5, taxi park the Alpha with near Egan Vision Center.
That's correct, sir.
Cambridge 867, turn left heading 200, runway 23 left, Alpha 8, clear for takeoff.
Left turn 200, Alpha 8, clear for takeoff, Cambridge 867.
Tower, Commuter 4868 on the visual, 23 left.
Commuter 4868, Knoxville Tower, runway 23 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 23 left, Commuter 4868.
Commuter 4868, reduce your final approach speed.
Reduce final approach speed, Commuter 4868.
Good afternoon, Vision Center. Vision Jet 379, Juliet Mike, coming off of Alpha for the Charlie ramp.
Juliet Mike, no outbound traffic. You are clear for paint detail.
Appreciate you, thanks, and we're inbound.
Clarence Tower, this is Cirrus 924 Tango Romeo at the Charlie taxi, ready to taxi. With information India.
Cirrus 924 Tango Romeo, Knoxville Tower, give way to the inbound Vision Jet, runway 23 left, Alpha 8, taxi via Alpha.
23 left, wait for the Vision via Alpha 924 Tango Romeo with Alpha 8.
Vision 472, thanks for the roll, contact departure, good day.
472, no problems, good.
Knoxville Tower, this is Mirage 89 Papa Mike on base for 32 left.
Mirage 89 Papa Mike, Knoxville Tower, caution wait turbulence, runway 23 left, clear to land.
23 left, clear to land, 89 Papa Mike.
I also had an opportunity to see various beautiful SR22s and SF50 jets on the Cirrus ramp, as you might have noticed from the video. I even had the pleasure of getting up close to one of the 8,000 special edition SR22 airplanes. It's definitely designed to turn heads at the airport.
9 Papa Mike, square your base.
Square my base, 89 Papa Mike.
I want to send a shout out to all the new subscribers and thank the early adopters and loyal supporters of the channel. Your enthusiasm keeps the channel going. I really appreciate you watching the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos. Also, click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when new videos are posted. I can't thank you enough for taking the time to send your emails, comments, and feedback. My goal is to provide even better content for you as we continue to grow the channel. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next flight.